just about come down to the end of another one. But before we go, let us have a warm thank you for our very special guest star, the lovely Leslie Uggams.
Thank you, Kermit.
Listen, Chickie babe, you gotta forgive me. I'll never talk to another chicken again. Oh, hi, Camilla.
Gonzo, you know, you're quite a shocker. I thought that Camilla was your one true love.
Oh, yeah. Well, chickens all look the same to me.
Girls, please. Well, I'd like to thank a really different-looking chicken, Big Bird from Sesame Street.
Oh, thank you.
We'll see you next time on the Muppet Show. Have we ever said that this show is for the birds?
Yes, and we'll keep saying it till it gets a laugh.